Hey there, it's a quick video. So how do I uninstall and remove it? I mean, this is for you, Mr. Sweet Potato 123, and you wanted to actually uninstall Opencode CLI from your PC. So this is really simple. Just go for command prompt, press Windows button, okay? And then type CMD, then run as administrator. You have to actually say here that where Opencode, hit enter. Then you will find here the link or path. So you can see app data, roaming, then npm, then Opencode. We just have to actually delete this. So copy this path from here, select this and hit enter to copy this. Now go for this PC and in the address bar you have to paste it. Just go to the folder, okay, remove this Opencode from here. And here we go. We have Opencode CMD here, you can see. Then here we have Opencode AI, all the things. Now what I have to do, we have to actually remove everything from here, okay? So delete everything from here. Now, if you remove it and reopen it, command prompt, and if you say here Opencode -- version, here you can see Opencode is not recognized as an internal or external command. It means we have successfully deleted Opencode from our PC. And now if you say here Opencode also, let's say Opencode, and then you can see it's not recognized. So we have successfully uninstalled it, okay, from our PC. So this is the easiest way I've shown you, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.